fluoride checker to check the fluoride levels of our drinking water. We have two measurement vials to which I've added 2 milliliters each of the reagent. To the first vial, I will then add 8 more milliliters of deionized water for our blank. To the measurement vial, I will add 8 milliliters of our tap water. Okay, I'll put the caps on both. Turn the meter on. Now, we'll put the deionized water sample in the meter and press and hold the button till the timer function is activated. Okay, when the meter says C2, we'll open the meter and remove our blank with the reactive DI water. And now we'll add our sample with the reactive tap water. And just press the button once to display the reading of our drinking water.